Hi, I'm just going to do a little video here on this. I don't want to keep ragging on the Christian community, but in the news, why are we just learning about this today? Obama, Pope Francis meet for the first time, and it needs to say in public. Look at this date, March 27th, 2014. Here we are in end times, and they're just now putting out that he's gone to Italy. And if you notice in the video, the video should be titled something about the Locust Army. This is definitely a warning for the Locust Army. Who in the world uses old school cameras to take pictures of stuff? And just listen to this. It's a warning of the Locust Army, the bride of Christ coming to judge the world, and it is unbelievable. Who uses cameras like this anymore? It's called digital, people.
Thank you so much for receiving me. Great out, and I'm a great admirer. So it's wonderful. And this is my family. The last time I heard was the predecessor I heard was in my wife. But this time they were anonymous.
Read in Revelation about the Locust Army, or it almost sounded like machine guns. Come on. Definitely the Locust Army. Nobody uses cameras like that anymore. Definitely a sign. Look up, our salvation is near.